What's poppin'? Don't mind me just talking. Hello. Uh, so what are we doing this week? Awards, and they've made the terrible mistake of having me do the awards. So, Mr. Baker's award time. Here it goes. Nominee number one for House 10, House X. Woo! Miss Grace Hatch. Grace, legend. She is in my advanced class as a sophomore, Team X gang, and she's killing it. She's crushing it in my intermediate class, doing absolutely excellently, and she's doing it all with one hand nearly literally tied behind her back. She hurt herself over Christmas, and she has been coding in my class with one single hand and absolutely killing it. Great job, Grace. Mr. Reed Mengel, another wonderful, wonderful soul. Somebody who brings positive energy and genuine compassion and care to every class period. He really wants to know how you're doing. He really, really wants to connect, and you can feel that even over this digital space that we're in. Thank you, Reed, for making my afternoons great. Aaliyah's awesome. To be frank, one of the most fast, bright coders I have had the pleasure to interact with. Super quick and super, super smart with programming. So I'm really excited to see her continue to progress forward as a coder because she's very, very gifted. Allison, another legend. Allison is funny. She's positive. And this is my favorite part about Allison. She's always ready and willing to make an error. My class leans heavily on a culture of error, and she is not afraid to answer a question wrong. And it's in fact one of my favorite things about a student is somebody who is willing to try and fail, learn, and succeed. Allison embodies all of those traits. These are our four. I have a lump in my throat. I'm so emotional about this. So proud of these four. The winner this week is Mr. Reed Mengel. Great job, Reed. Don't ever change your kindness. It bleeds through the screen. And your empathy is off the charts. So, Reed, we're all happy to have you. Aaliyah, Grace, Allison, always a joy to work with you guys as well, and I look forward to the rest of the semester. All right, Mr. Baker out. Congrats, Reed.